In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TEXTSPLIT with sort in Excel to separate numbers and text. Open Excel for the web, then open the workbook that contains your mixed data. Column A should already contain the original entries, where each cell has one text piece and one number piece separated by a slash. You should also see two empty columns beside it, columns B and C. Click cell B1 and type text, then click cell C1 and type number. These headers will show where the separated results are going to land. Now click cell B2, right beside the first mixed entry in column A. This is where the first formula begins. Type equals TEXTSPLIT, open parenthesis, A2, comma, quotation mark, slash, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Click back on cell B2 and look at the result that spills downward. The original entry, name 1/1234, is now separated into two pieces. The first piece appears in B2, and the second piece spills into B3. It stacks vertically because the slash was entered as the row delimiter, which is the third argument in TEXTSPLIT. That vertical shape is important because it gives SERT a simple one-column list to work with next. With B2 still selected, click into the formula bar. Now edit the formula so TEXTSPLIT is wrapped inside SORT. The full formula should be typed as equals SOS, open parenthesis, TRANSPOSE, open parenthesis, A2, comma, quotation mark, slash, quotation mark, close parenthesis, comma, -1, close parenthesis. Press enter. Click B2 again and inspect the two spilled cells. SORT is now comparing the two split pieces as text. Because the sort order is -1, it sorts descending. That means the letter's first piece moves to the top, and the digit's first piece moves to the bottom. This works even when the number appears before the text in the original cell. Now click B2 again and return to the formula bar. The result is sorted correctly, but it is still vertical. To place the text and number into separate columns, wrap the whole formula in TRANSPOSE. Type equals TRANSPOSE. Open parenthesis, SORT, open parenthesis, TRANSPOSE, open parenthesis, A2, comma, quotation mark, slash, quotation mark, close parenthesis, comma, -1, close parenthesis, Then press enter. Click B2 and confirm the spilled range. The text piece should now appear in B2 under the text header. The number piece should appear in C2 under the number header. This is the full TEXTSPLIT, SORT, and TRANSPOSE combination. Next, copy the formula down for every row. Click B2 to select the formula cell. Move your pointer to the bottom right corner of the cell until the cursor becomes the fill handle, shown as a thin plus sign. Drag that fill handle down to B8, which is the last row of data, then release. Click one of the filled cells lower in the column and check the formula bar. The row reference should have adjusted for that row, so each formula refers to the matching entry in column A. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Column A still holds the original mixed entries. Column B now shows only the text pieces. Name 1, Name 2, Name 3, Name 4, Order 99, Widget 5, and Receipt. Column C now shows only the digit pieces, 1234, 1256, 6532, 5432, 7781, 8890, and 9042. The digit pieces are still stored as text because TEXTSPLIT always returns text. If you need to use them for math later, wrap the number output was value or multiply it by 1.